To successfully install Everlast lap siding, begin by installing the Everlast starter strip at the base of the wall. Determine where you want the siding to terminate from grade. From this point, measure up 3 1/8 inches and chalk a level line. Leaving a 1-inch to 4-inch gap between the edge of the trim and the edge of the starter strip, align the top of the starter strip with your chalk line and fasten tightly to the wall. The starter strip must be installed level. Leave a 1/2 inch gap between adjacent starter strips. Stack your first plank onto the starter strip, ensuring that it's fully seated and level. To avoid failure, installers must accommodate for the lateral thermal expansion of Everlast planks in 2 ways. First, always leave a 1/4 inch gap between the edge of the panel and the inner edge of pocketed trim and termination points. Second, always fasten planks to the wall loosely, targeting the center of nailing slots so that planks can move freely. Always leave a 1/32 inch gap between the fastener head and the panel. Nailing slots are located every 8 inches. Loosely fasten planks every 16 inches. Fasten into studs when possible, although fastening into OSB sheathing is acceptable. Place the next plank onto the starter strip, ensuring it's fully seated and level. Then slide and butt it tightly against the first plank. Without exception, all plank-to-plank vertical seams must be mechanically joined using a stainless steel Everlast seam bracket. Continue with the next course by stacking a plank onto the lower course, ensuring level. Repeat the steps shown as you progress up the wall, verifying level every 3rd course to completion.